Welcome to the Professional Certifications channel. In this video, we'll cover the top 50 key terms every professional should know for the Certified Healthcare Facility Manager CHFM exam. These concepts form the foundation of hospital facility management, including operations, safety, regulatory compliance, and leadership. Let's dive right in.
Section 1. Core Facility Management Concepts. 1. Facility Management, FM. The coordination of physical environment, systems, and support services to ensure a safe and efficient healthcare facility. 2. CHFM Certification, credential recognizing expertise in healthcare facility management. 3. ASHE, American Society for Healthcare Engineering, the organization that administers the CHFM certification. 4. Operations and Maintenance, O&M, daily management of building systems to ensure functionality and reliability. 5. Preventive Maintenance, PM, scheduled maintenance to prevent equipment failure. 6. Predictive Maintenance, PDM, using data and sensors to anticipate failures before they occur. 7. Work Order System, software used to track and manage maintenance tasks. 8. Asset Management, tracking and optimizing the life cycle of equipment and building systems. 9. Life Cycle Costing, LCC, evaluating total cost of ownership, including purchase, operation, and maintenance. 10. Deferred Maintenance, delaying maintenance tasks due to limited resources, leading to long-term issues.
Section 2. Building Systems and Equipment. 11. HVAC System, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, maintaining air quality and comfort. 12. Plumbing System, manages water supply, drainage, and sanitation within the facility. 13. Electrical System, provides power distribution to medical equipment and critical areas. 14. Emergency Power Supply System, EPSS, backup generators ensuring continuous power during outages. 15. Building Automation System, BAS, centralized control of HVAC, lighting, and security systems. 16. Medical Gas System, provides oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases safely to patient areas. 17. Fire Protection System, includes sprinklers, alarms, and extinguishers to ensure fire safety. 18. Planned Maintenance, scheduled service based on manufacturer recommendations or regulations. 19. Energy Management, monitoring and optimizing energy consumption for sustainability. 20. Water Management Plan, prevents contamination and Legionella growth in plumbing systems.
Section 3. Safety and Compliance. 21. Life Safety Code, NFPA 101, standard that ensures safe building design and evacuation routes. 22. NFPA 99, standard for healthcare facility electrical and gas systems. 23. OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, ensures worker safety and health. 24. CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, regulates facility safety for accredited healthcare organizations. 25. The Joint Commission, TJC, accrediting body that enforces compliance standards. 26. Environment of Care, EOC, framework for maintaining safe and functional healthcare facilities. 27. Interim Life Safety Measures, ILSM, temporary safety procedures during construction or renovation. 28. Emergency Management Plan. Preparedness plan for natural disasters, power failures, or other crises. 29. Hazardous Materials Management. Safe storage, handling, and disposal of chemicals and biohazards. 30. Fire Drill. Simulated exercise to test staff readiness during fire emergencies.
Section 4. Maintenance, Testing, and Inspection. 31. Testing, Inspection, and Maintenance. Routine verification of building systems' safety and performance. 32. Work order prioritization. Assigning urgency based on patient care impact. 33. Reliability-centered maintenance. Strategy to maximize equipment reliability and uptime. 34. Condition assessment. Evaluating the physical state of facility assets. 35. Calibration. Ensuring accuracy of instruments and monitoring devices. 36. Documentation and record keeping. Maintaining records for compliance audits. 37. Commissioning. Verifying that building systems function as intended. 38. Recommissioning. Revalidating performance of existing systems after upgrades. 39. Energy audit. Comprehensive evaluation to identify energy-saving opportunities. 40. Sustainability program. Initiatives to reduce environmental impact and operating costs.
Section 5. Leadership, Finance, and Performance. 41. Budgeting. Planning financial resources for maintenance and operations. 42. Capital planning. Allocating funds for major facility investments and upgrades. 43. Project management. Overseeing facility projects from design to completion. 44. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Metrics used to measure facility performance. 45. Workforce development. Training and developing facility staff. 46. Communication skills. Effective coordination with clinical, engineering, and leadership teams. 47. Customer service. Ensuring patient and staff satisfaction with facility operations. 48. Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, certification for green and sustainable buildings. 49. Benchmarking. Comparing facility performance metrics to industry standards. 50. Continuous improvement. Ongoing efforts to enhance operational efficiency and safety.
And that's our top 50 key terms for the CHFM exam. These key concepts are not only vital for your exam preparation, but also for effectively managing hospital infrastructure, ensuring safety, compliance, and operational excellence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe to the Professional Certifications channel for more tutorials on healthcare, IT, and facility management certifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.